had it not been for Shanu Sharma, I would have never done a Yash Raj film before. I got a phone
All
call
right.
from Mr. David Dhawan on my phone, and he said,
All
"Sahil, I
right.
want you in my film." He already had someone who looked exactly like Kirmani Saab.
Okay.
Sahil Khattar ended up doing that part.
Hi, Sahil. Welcome to Box Office India. This is Anita.
Hi, Anita.
And how you doing?
I'm doing great. Believe me, I am doing great.
Yeah. So this is something new that I think you must be also facing that we are doing virtually. All the interviews other ने तो मिल जुल के करते हो और मजा आता
Yeah, it's not it's not that new for me. I mean, yeah, we did this for Dil Bechara,
है.
but
दिल बेचारा.
yeah, it's now becoming for me. These are the first two films I've actually properly promoted as an actor. So new to pata nahi, but this is the memory I'll have of my first films which I'm promoting for. So yeah, I'm doing great.
Right. All right. So
Yeah.
talking about Coolie Number One, यार जब से आई है Coolie Number One की ट्रेलर पागल कर दिया लोगों को literally मतलब how well it is doing the trailer and the song that released yesterday it's doing so well. So you
Right.
tell me how did you join in this journey?
How did I join in this journey? It's a very simple answer, but this simple answer would explain a lot of things to a lot of people. I got a phone
All right.
call from Mr. David Dhawan on my phone, and he said,
All
"Sahil,
right.
I want you in my film." It's as simple as that.
Okay.
It's as simple as
So
that. I mean, I got a phone call, and he said, "Sahil, ये picture करेगा?" I was like, "Of course करूँगा. मैं पागल थोड़ी ना हूँ. David Dhawan's calling me on my phone, and I went to his office. He told me this is what we are doing, and I was like, "Sir, why are you even asking me कि करेगा कि नहीं करेगा?" This is how amazing he is. You know, I never thought this happens. I was an audition going actor. I thought I was one of those जो लाइन में लगता है अपनी profiles देता है. I thought I would be that actor all my life, but here you are. Mr. David Dhawan changed my life. He called me on my phone and he said, "I'm offering you a film."
right.
It's a very good feeling.
So I'm sure the audition days are over for you because people have seen you working from Humpty Sharma to a couple of other movies. No?
No, no. I don't think the audition days are over. It's a good feeling to be offered a part because the director has you in their vision. But let's not disregard the work that casting directors are doing because had it not been for them, I would have never gotten my first opportunity in a movie because these are the people who actually scout for actors. They,
Right.
I don't know how they do it, but they scout for actors, and I'll be thankful to a lot of them. I'll be thankful to Shanu Sharma for casting me in Bangchur, which was my first negative lead in a film. Technically,
Right.
the title role of that film. Film didn't do great, but
Mhm.
I still consider that as one of the most different and amazing parts that I've played. So,
Right.
had it not been for Shanu Sharma, I would have never done a Yash Raj film before. It was something almost unbelievable for me at a point of time back in the day. Sahil Vaid Yash Raj की film कर रहा है,
Huh.
but Sahil Vaid ने Yash Raj की film की. So let's not disregard the way these guys function. I still go for auditions. I just gave a screen test yesterday. So if there are casting directors here watching this interview, no, I'm not that actor who says कि अब मैं audition नहीं देता. मैं दे दूंगा. मुझे कोई
So you
problem.
enjoy the process? You enjoy the audition process?
It's humiliating, but I enjoy it.
All right.
It's humiliating. I see auditions as an opportunity to perform. I mean, you're sitting at home and the casting director calls you and says, "Sahil, we want to test you for a part." And I'm like, "Oh, goody, we get a script, we get text, we'll perform today. I prepare that scene, I go there and I perform, and my job's over. I don't linger on. I gave that screen test 2 days ago, and I'm not thinking about it because my job there is done. And this is what I would like to tell all the younger actors who are auditioning right now, who are screen testing all across the country now, because the casting, especially people like Mukesh Chavra, they've established offices in
Yeah.
different cities. So never, never linger on, never dwell on an audition. Think of it as a performance. You perform, it's done.
Right.
It's going to keep you
So-
happy, and it's going to keep you sane, and it'll be fun.
Right. So, what is that one audition that you gave and you so wanted it, but you did not get the part? Can you share that one with me?
1983. There was this. I gave that screen test. I went bald for that part. I lost 14 kilos of weight for that part. I was offered to play Syed Kirmani in 1983, and I didn't get that part. And I wasn't sad because Kabir Khan really called me and met me 3 times, and he gave me that opportunity कि साहिल weight lose कर लो and hit this mark. He told me, if you are 70 kgs, we might it might just work. I was 70 kgs, but somehow it didn't work for him, and he already had someone who looked exactly like Kirmani Saab. Sahil Khattar ended up doing that part. So I wouldn't say I'm happy that he was cast, but I can understand why he got cast, and I really thank Mr. Kabir Khan for at least giving me that opportunity to meet him and go through that process of losing weight and having that hope that and having that confidence that yes, I can. And then it was the director's call. Yeah, it's his film. At the end of the day, he needs to know that silhouette, what works for him, and that I cannot question. I never question directors.
So, is it disheartening when you do so much for a particular role and in the end it doesn't come to you? Is it disheartening or you just let it go?
It used to be. I mean, it used to be disheartening, but you can't. Like I said, you can't dwell on it. It's disheartening not because you didn't get it. It's disheartening because you missed out on the experience. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's not the rejection that gets you. It's not no, you are not doing this part. No. No, you're not going to be a part of something beautiful. That is something that hits you, and I think containing that is very easy. You can't really go out there and think that you're the best actor in the world. There are many people out there who've put more effort in their craft, and they do practice every day. And if any one of them gets a part, you should congratulate them. You should be happy that their hard work is being appreciated. You do that, and I guarantee you they'll do the same when you get a part.
Very true, very true.